Hello my friends, and welcome back to the rabbit hole, and welcome to my very special limited edition series that I am calling the Happy Holidays series. Do you all know how proud of myself I was, how much I pat myself on the back when I realized the play on words of holiday and halls? And then I thought about it further and realized there are probably tons of YouTubers who have also made this association. It's okay, we can still roll with it. It can be a lot of fun. As I told you all, I have made a lot of holiday orders and I thought it would be fun to share them with you. In today's video, I will be unboxing my Glow Recipe Mystery Box. Don't get your hopes up just yet. Don't do it. An order I placed from Kaja, I think quite a few of you ordered from Kaja as well, and a PR box from I Dew Care. I feel like these three brands kind of go together. They're all Korean or heavily Korean inspired and yet readily available within the US. I have one more really exciting announcement. Since it is the holidays, I've decided I want to run some giveaways. Here is the first giveaway that I'm running. Super excited to be doing this, but I do have to tell you all, it is happening over on Instagram. I know, kind of a womp womp moment for some of you. But giveaways on YouTube are so hard because, oh my gosh, there are so many scammers. I just don't want people to get scammed because I was trying to run a giveaway, you know? So it's over on Instagram. I'll link it in the description box below. This one is US only. Stay tuned international. I will try to run more international giveaways. I just can't do it in the holiday season. And I think that's enough of an intro. Are you ready to get into this video? Of course, timestamps below if you just want to see one of these hauls. So let's go ahead and start with the Glow Recipe Mystery Box. I feel like some amount of people might have bought this and be waiting to see what's inside this box. So spoilers ahead, although there's some problems with my order. Some problems. Many Bothans died to bring me this package. I honestly have no idea why my box is so beat up. Thankfully, the contents are okay. So, okay, here we go. Here's the spoilers. Let me actually put up somewhere on the screen what Glow Recipe said they were doing with this. It's a $45 mystery box that is supposed to contain a full-size Glow Recipe item, 2 minis, and then 3 full-size Sweet Chef items. And I thought that I would go for this. Honestly, let me just be honest with you about why I bought this. I even talked about this in my Sephora sale video. I know that Glow Recipe doesn't run good holiday sales, but I was still hopeful. I was still hopeful for some reason. It's so frustrating. It's just the same 20% off discount from the VIB sale if you're a VIB member, except they actually block out a period of time where if you make purchases from, I think it was November 22nd to November 30th, then your item is final sale, even at 20% off. So yeah, I think what happened is I was kind of flustered by that. I wanted to make an order, so I saw this mystery box, and that's why I decided to go for it. Okay, so here's the contents. Full-size item is the Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tight Facial. I'm actually really excited to have this as the full-size item because I do like it. All that said, I don't use this too often. I have a video covering this from a while ago. Yeah, I don't really use this too often because I do have a drier skin type. It's still a nice option for when I do have more congestion, but I don't use it as much as I think somebody with combo or oily skin would. I still think it's really well done though, so I will be gifting this. I haven't decided to whom yet or if I'll put it in a giveaway, but it's a nice item. I'm happy to get it. The minis I'm also really happy with. The minis are the Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA Salicylic Serum. I love this one. And believe it or not, I've still never tried this one, the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream. I've heard so many good things about it. Let's see what the texture looks like. It looks kind of like a regular cream, I would say. Oh no, this video is already so me. That is exactly something I would do. Okay, so, oh, it actually is a really interesting texture. It almost feels kind of light, but very nourishing. Oh. Is this why you all love this? I thought this was just going to be another moisturizer. And I've been kind of sad because they discontinued Banana Souffle, and I actually did like that one for dry skin. Okay, well. And then the Sweet Chef item is the Sugarcane and Vitamin E Lip Sleeping Mask. That's it. That's all the contents of the box. Yeah, one item from Sweet Chef. And I know this is the dangers of mystery boxes, is you can be pretty disappointed, but at the same time, I do feel that if a company says you're getting 3 full-size items from a brand, if you only get 1 full-size item, I don't know, I feel like that's not, you didn't receive what you purchased. Mystery or not, I have no idea what the other 2 items even should have been if there were 2 more items at all. For $45, I really kind of feel like this was an expensive mystery box, if that is supposed to be the contents of it. But we'll see, I'll update you. I'm filming this on Thursday. We'll see if they get back to me before I post this video. Let's stick with skincare. We'll save Kaja for last, for those of you that like makeup. This is my I Dew Care little set that they sent me. Oh, I'm so excited. I did already peek at all of the contents of this, but they sent me another one of these. Here's the tea tree sheet masks. I have one of these left right now. I actually love these. They also sent over this, the I Dew Care Scoop Party Ice Cream Wash-Off Masks and Headband Set. This is such a cute little gift set. Oh my goodness, let me open this up. So this contains that headband that you've seen me wear in other videos. You know I love my headbands. You know I love all head accessories, all of them. So you get that in this kit. You get a full size of the Cake My Day wash-off mask. This is such a nice mask. I feel like I very much underestimated this because I thought that it would be, you know, just kind of another supposedly hydrating mask, but it's really fun to use. It contains sprinkles. I do already have one of these, but I'm happy to get another, so let me show you the open one. And ooh, I am having a clumsy day today. It is amazing how many messes I've made. Early this morning, I spilled my coffee everywhere. I smashed my knee in the bathroom. I don't know why I'm having this kind of a day, but I just am. It's been like that all day. So anyway, I spilled a little bit of it, but you can see the sprinkles in it. Yeah, this thing is actually super hydrating and yet fun. And you know, I do like to have some fun with my skincare. Yeah, this is my open one. Okay, I just about had a moment of, no, this is the one that goes in your mouth and this one goes in your... I'll set aside the unopened one and make sure to give that to someone who will enjoy it. So this will be a first for me, the Matcha Mood Soothing Green Tea Wash-Off Mask. There's a little mini included. I've been wanting to try this one for a long time. I've heard really good things about this, so super excited. And another mini, the Berry Groovy Brightening Glycolic Wash-Off Mask. I also have the full size of this, so I'll keep this one unopened to share. Here's what this one looks like. This one is so fun to use. It smells like and looks like, is it sherbet? Is sherbet the one that is the fruit, the fruit-like ice cream? We've talked before about how I don't like ice cream, right? You all know I don't like ice cream. It's too cold. It's too cold. That's it. That's my reasoning for not liking ice cream. And then you also, of course, get your little scoop. I Dew Care is really, can you see this? Really good at cute scoops. You probably can't. It's got a little face on it. It's got the name on it. Anyway, it's cute. This box also contained the Rolling With It, which I've already tried. I'm so impatient. It's going to be really hard for me to open boxes without already having opened them. But anyway, this is a really cute little roller. It's not what I expected though. So you can grab it and then you would think that this whole thing rolls, but it doesn't. It's just solid on here. I got to thinking about it and I was like, that probably is better because it'll be easier to clean. I also already stuck this in my fridge because that is highly what I recommend you do with any of these rollers, jade rollers, eye rollers, any of them. Stick them in your fridge. You have to try it that way. It's so cooling and refreshing. Then they sent over the Power Plug Firming Bakuchiol Night Cream. I have not opened this up yet, but let's see how this one is. Oh, their packaging is so cute, isn't it? Oh, I love I Dew Care packaging. This smells kind of like grape. Let me grab one of my mini scoops and take some of this out. Mini, did you interpret that as M-I-N-I or M-A-N-Y? I meant M-A-N-Y. Sometimes I get stuck on linguistics, y'all. I really do. Okay, so that is going to be a really nice night cream. It definitely has a little bit of weight to it, but actually it's kind of spreading like the Glow recipe. It actually is. Niacinamide Bakuchiol, which I actually do really like. Oh, quite a few hydrating ingredients in here. Mango seed butter, that's interesting. Some turmeric, some eggplant. It does have fragrance though, as I expected from that intense grape smell. And then the Glow Key Brightening Eye Cream here. Let's have a look at this. I'm actually really excited to get this. Somehow I just started plowing through eye creams. You know, it's so funny. I feel like it takes, oh, it comes with a little applicator. I feel like it takes so long to get through an eye cream, but I use different ones, and somehow I'm finishing all of them at the same time. That's the worst, isn't it? Oh, I think it's gonna be brightening. Look at that color. That is the color I like to see in an eye cream. Let's grab a little bit of this. Let's see how it swatches. I really love brightening eye creams. Okay. Ooh, I think I'm really gonna like this. That reminds me of the Origins Brightening Eye Cream. Oh, look at that, it buffs in really nicely. This one doesn't really have a smell. Let me check the ingredients on this one. It's white on light green. Oh my goodness, okay. Oh, my eyes hurt. I can't do it. I'm gonna have to look at the website. It's hurting my eyes too much. I cannot do these, this white text on really light colors. It seriously hurts. Is that a sensitive eye thing? Do you relate? Our final item is the Glow Easy Nourishing Vitamin C Lip Oil. Okay, it looks like a nice lip oil with a little bit of a tint to it. I smell something, but it's not too strong of a smell. Huh, okay. Kind of buffing this in. That's like one of those heavier styles of lip oils. You know how some are really light? This one's a little bit heavier. And then my Black Friday order from Kaja. So they were doing a promo where every order received the little shots here. Look at that, 2 minis of their gloss. I also purchased, I think this is the same thing, right? The gloss shot? Yeah, it is. I also purchased a full size of the clear because I know my own preferences and I do prefer clear. So I've still got that lip oil on me. Let's see how this compares, shall we? Well, as expected, it is in fact clear. Let me see. Ooh, it actually feels very similar to the Glow lip oil. I guess, you know, because it is the same parent company, yeah, it feels very similar. It's kind of much more sticky. Can you see that? Much more sticky than I would have expected. It is not like the Tower 28 lip gloss, I can already tell you that. But yeah, more like, I guess, Fenty, I would say. But I'm super excited to try that. I also completed my collection. Yes, completed my collection of the Love Swipes. I fell in love with these. They're so gorgeous. This is the shade 03, Every Girl. Check this out, y'all. The color of the packaging itself actually represents the shade that you are getting. So yeah, now I have all of them. This is all 5. I would have to say my favorites so far have been 02 and 05. These colors right here. 02, 05. No, this one goes in your mouth. But yeah, this is 02. I'll swatch this one. They're really beautiful, kind of more of those moussey lip colors. So, ooh, I'm not good at swatching with my left hand, it turns out. I am very clearly a right-handed person, but maybe you can kind of see there. Yeah, just really comfortable lip products. And then this was marked down to 70% off, so I couldn't resist it. So I bought the Viva Shine Multi Highlighter Trio. Let's go ahead and open this up. I am so ready to see how this looks. I was reading through the reviews on Sephora, and some people were saying, oh my gosh, that is so cute. What, Kaja? What? Sorry, some people were saying these are super, oh, they are super glittery. Oh, why do things never show up on camera the way they look in person? This looks like straight up glitter in person, and yet it doesn't look like that on camera. That's absolutely bizarre. Oh, look at the last one. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so let me do this. So we have a regular gold shimmer, a regular kind of champagne shimmer, and then a true glitter. Yeah, you can kind of see that. Well, my friends, that's it for these orders. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. How have all of your orders been going? Anyone else running into issues? issues with your orders. It's really that time of year. But that's it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time.